Hi, I'm Dr. Gary Webber. I'm the Senior Chiropractor at the Canary Wharf Chiropractic Centre, based in the historic building of West India Quay. We specialise in all acute and chronic type of musculoskeletal injuries, sports injuries, but also headaches and migraines, which are not usually associated with chiropractic care. With our consultation, we take a complete case history and listen to any of your concerns. Our examination is designed to provide specific treatment to give you short-term relief and long-term correction. At your reported findings, we'll go through your x-rays, we'll go through your examination, we'll prescribe appropriate treatment for you to give you the best results in the shortest possible time. The treatment that we provide is very unique. It's holistic, it aims at correcting the whole neuromuscular system, allowing the joints to function properly and correcting the whole posture. We don't just isolate the condition and treat the painful area. At our clinic, we have a full medical service, including a GP and a nurse, podiatry and massage therapy. For further information, please look at our website or call our friendly staff and they'll be happy to assist you.